More now on the trial into the killing of the black teenager Stephen Lawrence. The jury heard today how a forensic scientist mislabelled vital evidence whilst examining the jacket of defendant Gary Dobson in 1993. Our Home Affairs correspondent Guy Smith has been in court today. Guy, we heard from a forensic scientist today and she's admitted some errors.
Yes, Victoria. Yvonne Turner was a forensic assistant in 1993. Her job was to examine the clothes of both defendants and the victim, Stephen Lawrence. And today, here at the Old Bailey, she admitted two mistakes. Firstly, that she'd mislabelled a form for Gary Dobson's jacket. She'd used a reference number for a completely different police investigation. She said she wasn't concentrating, she wasn't focused, and that had perhaps led to records being hard to find for a couple of years. The second mistake was that she had actually used sticky tape to search for fibres to try and link the suspects and the victim, but on the document she hadn't actually written that in. So again, in an accurate note, and she agreed with the defence that those two mistakes were highly irregular.
And what did the jury hear about the victims and the suspects' evidence bags?
Well, Ms Turner said that there was a common practice while transporting police evidence bags like this for the suspects and the victims to put them all together in one big plastic bag, and the jury heard that there was a possible risk that hairs and fibres could be on the outside of this bag. Now, this was the exchange between the lawyer for David Norris and Yvonne Turner. Their words have been revoiced.
What is the reason you should not put things from defendant sacks in the same overbag?
Because there is the possibility of transferal of evidence.
Well, at the heart of this case is how reliable is the new scientific evidence. Well, we will be hearing more from Yvonne Turner tomorrow.
Guy, thanks for that update.